Hi, thank you so much first of all for being here on this channel and whatever social platform आप अगर हैं मेरे साथ जुड़े अभी तक के तो दिल से आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया एंड फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग आज का जो वीडियो है इट्स नॉट अबाउट एनी इंस्पिरेशनल और किसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर देते हुए इट्स अ वेरी ऑनेस्ट conversation with you and I'm talking about not as a coach or someone who's here but एक fellow human being से बात कर रही हूँ because who also goes through emotional highs and lows and the reason why I disappeared from social media for some time not showing up reason is because even I have been navigating few things in my life in the spiritual path सबसे पहला दो वॉइस जो मैं नोटिस कर रही थी अपने इस फेज़ में and one voice was trust the process, let the life unfold as it is. So it is unfolding on its own, but at the same time एक और आवाज़ थी जो नॉन स्टॉप आती है वापस वो ये कहती है कि our time on this planet earth is limited. Did I contribute enough? Did I serve? Did I do what I was meant to do in this human form today? Did I experience my life, contributed and share with people? And I think जो लोग spiritual path में हैं can relate to this, what I'm talking about. So that the second voice is a voice of urgency जो बहुत restlessness और anxiety create कर देती है. And what I have been observing and reflecting in this phase of my life, when that second voice came, it is basically urgency की जो लगती है आवाज़ उस समय rather than getting caught up in that voice can we just look at that voice as an indication to come back to this present moment इस मोमेंट में वापस आके और कनेक्ट होने के लिए कहती है बिकॉज ऐसा करने से what I have noticed in my personal life वो जो वॉइस है इतनी लाउड उसके साथ एक इमोशनल चार्ज होता है जो बहुत एंग्जाइटी क्रिएट करता है जो लाउड हो जाता है यू नॉट डूइंग इनफ अगर हम प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में आते हैं वो इमोशनल चार्ज थोड़ा कम हो जाता है एंड अनदर रियलाइजेशन आई ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट इंस्पिरेशंस बट व्हाट आई नोटिस कि लाइफ इज़ नॉट टू बी लिव्ड ओनली थ्रू द मोमेंट्स व्हेन वी आर इंस्पायर्ड बल्कि मेरा रियलाइजेशन एक ये हुआ दैट it is more about honoring these moments when we are confused, when we have emotional ups and downs. और उन moments में अगर हम अपने आप से वापस और connect होते हैं that is what the life is calling us and then showing ourselves not at our high or the best moments in life but showing as who we are like that is what I'm doing today just being very honest with you so no teachings no gyans no answering the questions just reflecting on my phase of life where I disappeared from showing up visibly on coming in the forms of videos to you people and this is what I'm sharing this is where I've been and to be honest after sharing this vulnerable part of mine because as I said people talk about everything when they're inspired but this is the phase which we don't talk about I'll be coming up with more of these parts which I am facing on my spiritual journey. Maybe you might resonate with this, and if that is so, please do let me know in the comments what you're feeling, where you are in your spiritual journey. Thank you so much for being here once again. Thank you so much.